Active Voice Amplifier Pro feature ensures crystal clear dialogue even when background sounds are loud or environment is noisy. What it does? It isolates and enhances voices for clear dialogue in any scene. It reduces unwanted sounds while keeping voices sharp and natural. It performs real-time analysis for both ambient noise and in-video content to maintain consistent clarity throughout. How to turn it on? From the home screen, navigate to Settings. Go to All Settings. Select Advanced Features. Go to AI Mode setting. Select Enable AI Mode. Go to Adaptive Sound Settings. Select Active Voice Amplifier Pro and switch it on. Enjoy clearer, more immersive sound on your Samsung Smart TV.